How to see analytics on Twitter. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first launch your Twitter application and then log into your account. After that, tap on your profile icon on your top left corner. Then go to profile. Go to edit profile. First, you will have to switch your account to professional account. Follow all the steps and create a business account. After you have created your business account, now you will be able to see your analytics on Twitter. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.